Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about one of the most exciting shifts that you can make, how to transition from a 9-to-5 job to being a full-time virtual assistant. So if you're stuck in a traditional office job and dreaming of more flexibility, this video will give you a step-by-step guide on making the leap into freelancing full-time. Step number 1, you need to prepare financially for the transition. So before making the leap, it's crucial to make sure that you have a solid foundation financially to support you. So you really want to have at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved so that you can cover your costs during the initial stages of building your client base. You also want to start a side hustle as a VA while you're still in your 9-to-5 job. Use evenings, begin taking on those clients, so you're not starting from zero when you leave your job. Why this matters? It helps reduce the financial pressure, making the transition smoother and a lot less stressful. Step number 2. So you want to build your VA business while you're working. Choose a service that you are passionate about and can grow. Set up your online presence, even if it's just a simple portfolio or a landing page. Start networking. So you want to join online communities and network with potential clients. And you also want to start cold outreach to potential clients as well. So why does this matter? You really want to build momentum while you're still in your 9-to-5 job. You'll already have the groundwork laid by the time you're ready to transition if you do it this way. Step number 3, set clear milestones and goals. So you need a plan with specific milestones to transition from employee to VA. You need to set a goal of how much you need to be earning as a VA before you leave your job. For example, this might be 50% of your full-time income, or you might need to cover the whole 100% or more. Aim to have a certain number of clients lined up before quitting. Create a realistic timeline for when you feel that you'll be ready to transition, whether it's 6 months or a year, etc. So just make sure it's all crystal clear in your mind. So having these clear milestones keeps you motivated and helps you know when you're going to be ready to make that leap. Step number 4, you need to develop some systems for your VA business. So one of the biggest changes when transitioning to a full-time VA is managing your time and tasks efficiently. So this is when you need to use tools like Asana or Notion to organize your client work and deadlines, and you need to automate as many tasks as possible. So setting up things like TidyCal for client meetings, and consider using templates for onboarding and invoicing, and automate it all as much as you possibly can. Efficient systems allow you to manage more clients because it maximizes your income without you getting burnt out, because you're spending less time on the systems and more time on the clients. Step 5 is making the leap with confidence. So when you've hit your financial goals, secured enough clients, and feel ready that it's time to give in your notice, decide on a specific date that you want to leave that job and give that notice to your employer. You've already laid the groundwork for your VA business, so you need to trust that you're ready to handle that transition. Prepare for the emotional shift, because going from 9-to-5 to freelancing full-time can feel a bit overwhelming. So it's important to have a support system or a community in place to really look after you and help you on the way. This is the final step, and it's important to go into it with confidence, knowing that you've prepared properly, because you've done all this work. You know what you're doing. You've worked with some clients, so you know you can work with more. So these are the 5 steps to transition from your 9-to-5 job to becoming a full-time virtual assistant. By being prepared financially, building your business while you're working, setting clear goals, developing efficient systems, and making the leap confidently, you'll set yourself up for success. Now comment below and let me know, are you currently balancing a 9-to-5 while building your virtual assistant business? Or let me know what's holding you back from making that transition. Have a great day.